Good morning.
Morning.
This would be perfect to do in the afternoon. It's nice and cool.
Attention please. Star Tours Flight 629 service from Naboo is now arriving at Gate 1L. Passengers may mess at the arrivals lounge on level 1. Thank you.
What is that?
Galactic regulations require all passengers be screened by security prior to boarding. Droids and domesticated creatures must be cleared by customs. Thank you for your cooperation.
What that is? Oh, it's a trap. Here comes another one. Wow, I don't know what that is, but it looks like foul play to me. I'm not gonna play around. I'm getting a message from Lost Sound. Next week. We will
What? You go to gate B?
How many? You're gonna go on line number one, one on one.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors open, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Any traveler that happens to sit at the end next to one of these doors right here, going to close your door, be careful with your hand. You don't want to make that same mistake that Luke Skywalker once did. I'm going to be right back. Make sure that you guys have your seatbelts on.
I have another black one. It's very light.
See how I do with this one for a minute?
I think they lower the dark a little bit. I think they do a little sorry, not a lot. Yeah, they kind of lost the glow. Stays up. Yeah, right. Perfect, right? Yeah, I wish they were bright. And then when we put our glasses on,
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Star Tours. This is flight 1401. I will be your flight attendant for today. Before we begin, we are going to go over our safety regulations one more time. Remember that on today's flight, you guys must remain seated. Make sure that all bags or carrying items are placed underneath the seat. Now, if the bag will have this small, you can keep it on you. It's not a big deal. It's only a big favor. If you decided to keep your stuff with you, make sure that your stuff stays on top of the seatbelt. Remember, your seatbelt is there to protect you, not to protect your bag or your iPhone 25. So keep that in mind. Number 3, take care of each other. Parents, take care of your kids. Kids, take care of your parents. Friends, take care of one another. Unless you happen not to like each other, then I recommend you have the high ground. Now, the last thing I'm going to talk about is going to be about your seatbelts. Everybody, put on your seatbelts. If you guys look on the left side, you're going to find a yellow strap like this one. Now, hold on. When I pull your rope, that's when I want to see you guys tugging up the yellow strap. I need to make sure your seatbelts are properly working. We're going to begin with the first rope, line number 1. Let me see you guys tugging up that yellow strap for me. Perfect. My line number 2, your turn. Go ahead and pull up that yellow strap for me. Perfect. My line number 3. Perfect. Okay, everybody. At this time, you guys can go ahead and put on your glasses. We are ready. Thank you guys for flying with us today, and enjoy your trip. Bye-bye.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Gotta go.
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Someone will get Nicely done! Thrusters, are they important?
This is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh no! I mean, everybody move! Lean back! Do not leave! Otto, do something! The transmission.
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion in your star speeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Her only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour? Shields up, Otto! I wasn't programmed for this! To get them off before they rip us apart! They severed the controls! Pull up! Arthur, pull up! Well done, Arthur! Are you sure this is the right way? We're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look out, a platform! Let's land there! Oh, thank the Maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe?
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We are on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. And thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
Dad,
All right. Aurora.